Old photo albums were fantastic. You knew where they were, you knew what was in them, and thus finding stuff was pretty easy. Not so in the digital age, where we are looking at thousands of photos on our phones or on social media, and locating the exact shot we want is pretty tough. Now, of course, you could give names or captions to every one of your photos, and that would make it a lot easier, but I'm guessing you're not going to do that. So instead, you got to put in a little time and tag. Do it, and all those images you remember up here but can't locate will be available in seconds. But again, you got to put in the initial time, and here's how to do it. On the iPhone, in the Photos app, click Albums and scroll down for people and places to see who already is tagged. To add new tags, just open the camera roll and scroll through your library. When you find a face that's not tagged, click on the Info tab, that's the one next to the trash can at the bottom of the screen, and look at the photo again. Now you'll see a little circle at the bottom of the image with a face on it. Click it and tag with name as directed. Congratulations, you're now tagged. For Android users and Google Photos, hit the search bar and a bunch of faces will show up, with Google automatically grouping photos of your closest family members. For the folks who are outside your circle, you're going to have to do a little work. Google will show a group of faces, click an untagged face, and Google will direct you to name this person. Do so, and he or she is now duly tagged and much easier to find. Now, I shot over 22,000 photos on my iPhone last year and tens of thousands more on my Sony and GoPro, and you may shoot less than I do, but let's face it, you're probably shooting more than ever before and easily amassing thousands of new images yearly, right? So there's no getting around it. If you want to find stuff in today's world, you're going to have to take the time and tag. It's not that hard, and it sure pays off. Have I missed any of your favorite tagging tips? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, or you could always look for me on Twitter or Instagram, where I'm at Jefferson Graham. Don't forget to subscribe to PhotoBox TV for more episodes like this, and thanks everyone for watching.